Biohackers and billionaires spend $10,000 per month on gut health optimization, IV therapy, custom probiotics, fecal transplants, and longevity clinics. But I'm going to show you how to get the same results for free using simple hacks they don't want you to know about. The secrets aren't in the price tag. Rich people have access to cutting-edge gut health protocols that most people will never afford. But here's the truth. The expensive versions aren't better. They're just marketed better. Today, I'm revealing the free DIY alternatives that work just as well. Secret number 1, fecal microbiota transplants. What the rich do. They pay $15,000 for fecal microbiota transplants at exclusive clinics. A healthy donor's microbiome is transferred to restore gut diversity. What you can do for free: eat meals with healthy people. Share fermented foods. Studies show that people living together develop similar microbiomes. Your gut bacteria exchange through shared environment and food. Spend time with people who have healthy guts and eat well. Their bacteria will colonize your gut naturally. It's a slower transfer, but it's free and it works. Make your own diverse fermented foods. Sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and kombucha provide diverse bacterial strains similar to expensive custom probiotics. Secret number 2, IV vitamin therapy. What the rich do? They get weekly IV vitamin infusions at $500 to $1,000 per session. Glutathione, vitamin C, B vitamins, and minerals delivered directly to the bloodstream. What you can do for free: optimize absorption naturally. Most people have poor nutrient absorption because of low stomach acid and damaged gut lining. Take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water before meals. This increases stomach acid and mineral absorption dramatically. Eat vitamin C-rich foods with iron sources. Bell peppers with spinach, broccoli with lentils. This increases iron absorption by up to 300%. Heal your gut lining with bone broth and fermented foods. Better absorption means you get IV-like benefits from regular food. Secret number 3, custom probiotic formulations. What the rich do, they get custom probiotic formulations based on microbiome testing at $300 per month, specific strains targeted to their deficiencies. What you can do for free: eat diverse fermented foods. Each fermented food contains different bacterial strains. Sauerkraut has different bacteria than kimchi, kefir, or kombucha. Rotate your fermented foods. Monday, eat sauerkraut. Tuesday, eat kimchi. Wednesday, drink kefir. This provides more bacterial diversity than any single probiotic supplement. Make your own fermented vegetables. 1 cabbage costs $3 and makes enough sauerkraut to last weeks. That's billions of probiotics for pennies. Secret number 4, hyperbaric oxygen therapy. What the rich do, they spend $200 to $500 per session for hyperbaric oxygen therapy. It reduces gut inflammation and promotes healing. What you can do for free: practice deep breathing exercises. Oxygen is free. Deep breathing increases oxygen delivery to tissues, reduces inflammation, and activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which aids digestion. Try the 4-7-8 breath before meals. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Do this 4 times. It oxygenates your blood and prepares your gut for digestion. Secret number 5, infrared sauna sessions. What the rich do: daily infrared sauna sessions at $50 to $100 each. Saunas promote detoxification and reduce inflammation. What you can do for free: take hot baths with Epsom salt. Add 2 cups of Epsom salt to a hot bath. Soak for 20 minutes. The magnesium absorbs through skin, muscles relax, and you sweat out toxins. Exercise until you sweat. Sweating eliminates toxins through skin. A 30-minute workout provides similar detoxification benefits to expensive saunas. Secret number 6, Cryotherapy. What the rich do, whole body cryotherapy at $75 per session. Extreme cold reduces inflammation and boosts metabolism. What you can do for free. Take cold showers. Start with 30 seconds of cold water at the end of your shower. Work up to 2 minutes. Cold exposure reduces inflammation, improves circulation, and activates brown fat. Cold exposure stimulates the vagus nerve, which directly improves gut motility and reduces inflammation. Secret number 7, longevity. Clinics and testing, what the rich do. Comprehensive testing at longevity clinics. Microbiome analysis, inflammation markers, food sensitivity panels, $2,000 to $5,000. What you can do for free. Track symptoms meticulously. Keep a food and symptom journal. You'll identify patterns that expensive tests might miss. Eliminate common triggers for 30 days. Remove gluten, dairy, sugar, and alcohol. Reintroduce one at a time. You'll discover your sensitivities without expensive testing. Use your body as the laboratory. It tells you everything you need to know if you pay attention. Secret number 8, private chefs and meal prep. What the rich do. Personal chefs who prepare gut-healing meals. $3,000 to $10,000 per month. What you can do for free. Meal prep on Sundays. Spend 2 hours making bone broth, fermented vegetables, and prepping simple meals. You have gut-healing food ready all week. Batch cook healing foods. Make a huge pot of bone broth. Ferment a gallon of sauerkraut. Cook a week of sweet potatoes. It's the same concept as a private chef without the cost. Secret number 9, specialized supplements. What the rich do. Custom supplement protocols. Spore-based probiotics, butyrate, tributyrate, and rare compounds. $500 to $1,000 monthly. What you can do for free. Eat foods that produce these compounds naturally. Resistant starch from cooked and cooled potatoes produces butyrate. Your gut bacteria make it for free. Prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, and asparagus feed bacteria that produce beneficial compounds. No supplements needed. Secret number 10, stress management retreats. What the rich do, week-long wellness retreats at $5,000 to $20,000. Meditation, yoga, nature immersion, what you can do for free. Walk in nature daily. Studies show 20 minutes in nature reduces cortisol as effectively as meditation retreats. Practice free meditation using apps or YouTube. Headspace costs money, but thousands of free guided meditations exist. The stress reduction benefits are identical whether you paid $20,000 or nothing. The real secret wealthy people know isn't about expensive treatments. It's about consistency and optimization. They have the time and resources to prioritize health daily. You can do the same without money. Wake up 15 minutes earlier for meditation. Meal prep on weekends. Take cold showers. Make fermented foods. Walk in nature. These require time, not money. The expensive protocols work because they force consistency. The IV therapy appointment forces you to get nutrients. The personal chef forces you to eat well. The longevity clinic forces you to track health. Create your own forcing functions for free. Set phone reminders. Schedule meal prep. Make health non-negotiable. Why expensive isn't better. The supplement and wellness industry profits from making you believe that expensive equals effective. It doesn't. Your body doesn't know if probiotics came from a $300 custom formulation or $3 homemade sauerkraut. It only knows if bacteria are beneficial. Your gut doesn't care if vitamin C came from a $500 IV or a $2 bell pepper. It absorbs and uses it the same way. The results come from the intervention, not the price tag. Implementation. Start with 3 free hacks this week. Make sauerkraut. Take cold showers. Walk in nature daily. Next week, add 3 more. Make bone broth. Practice deep breathing. Start a symptom journal. Within a month, you'll have implemented more gut healing interventions than most rich people buying expensive protocols. The difference? You spent nothing and learned sustainable habits instead of relying on expensive services. Biohackers spend $10,000 monthly on gut health. You can get the same results for free. Fermented foods instead of custom probiotics. Apple cider vinegar instead of IV therapy. Cold showers instead of cryotherapy. Nature walks instead of wellness retreats. The secrets aren't expensive. They're simple. The rich just have better marketing. Stop waiting until you can afford expensive protocols. Start using free alternatives today. Your gut doesn't care about your budget. It only cares about what you give it. Steal these secrets. Use them. Get rich people results without rich people prices.